The Redmi Y2 is a 5.99-inch smartphone sporting a metal back, giving it a premium feel. Here's an overview of everything the Redmi Y2 has to offer. The Redmi Y2 has a 12 plus 5 megapixel dual camera at the back. The 5 megapixel camera is a depth sensing camera that helps you click photos with a depth of field effect. The front has a 16 megapixel camera for clicking selfies. The rear of the smartphone has a fingerprint sensor for your security needs. To cater to your performance needs, the Redmi Y2 features the Snapdragon 625 platform coupled with 4GB RAM. When it comes to storage, the smartphone sports 64GB of built-in storage. The storage is expandable via a micro SD card. The smartphone is a dual SIM device and the expansion slot is a dedicated one. The smartphone runs on Android 8 Oreo with MIUI 10 overlaying it. Speaking of entertainment, the 5.99-inch IPS LCD display on the Redmi Y2 sports a 1440 by 720p pixel resolution so that you can play back your favorite video content in HD resolution. The smartphone is capable enough to run all the apps and games available in the Google Play Store. That was a quick look at the features on offer on the Redmi Y2.